My name is Manjula Nair. I'll be co-facilitating the Intro to Standards-Based Grading workshop as well as the Advanced Standards-Based Grading workshop. The Intro to Standards-Based Grading workshop, it's a 3-day in-person experience where we talk about the reasons for using standards-based grading, how it brings equity, an equity lens into grading practices. We talk about how to do it. You all will have time to actually implement some of the things that we talk about and start planning how to implement standards-based grading into your curriculum for as soon as you want, whether it's for the next unit that you're doing, for the next course that you're doing, whatever it is. It is really a workshop model. There's not a lot of lecture, there's not a lot of talking on the part of the instructors. We share ideas, we are practitioners, and we'll help guide you through a process that'll help you develop the standards that you want to use in your classes. It is a very iterative process. And then the Advanced Standards-Based Grading workshop is a 2-day online workshop for people who have tried implementing standards-based grading in some way in their classes before. And it's again a workshop model. We do some problem solving, so issues that you ran into, the facilitators as well as the other participants talk through how to troubleshoot some of the issues you may have had. We talk about what's worked well. We give you some really specific support, whatever it is you need as you're doing the next iteration of your standards and your implementation of your grading.